against Luis Atiles. Matt Grafer, take it away.
Best. So I've got Ryan Cox out here. Atiles is on his way out. Let's go ahead. All right, Coach Gillum. Let's see what you got. Trick play. Ryan Cox through the legs. Over to first base. That would be an out. Atiles, let's see what you got. Oh, with the cartwheel! Oh my goodness. Strong showing from the Dirty Birds. All right, Cox, attempt number 2. Nice round ball. Scoops it with the spin, the bounce, and that's going to be for an out. All right, Atiles. Through the legs. It's going to be close. All right, ladies and gentlemen. We're going to see one more. Oh, swing and miss from Ryan Cox. Atiles gets to be the anchor. Oh my goodness. All right, fans, you get to vote. How do we feel about Ryan Cox? How do we feel about Luis Atiles and the Dirty Birds? Give that a W to the Dirty Birds with a trick play victory.
Really good work from Luis. Nick Clarno will be proud watching from home. You didn't think that the Lenore Rhineman could come in and dethrone the trick pitch king, or the trick play king of the tour. Cox is 31 for 32.